Printing is done. Now it's time to unbox the parts from the Bambu Lab hardware kit and join the video tutorial to assemble the BooKoo open source WDT. Step 1. Press fit the bearings into the 3D printed piece. Make sure they slide smoothly by spinning the needle disc and then remove it. Next up, place the gear motor into position, aligning it with the holes. Tighten the 2 screws, but be careful not to over-tighten. Now, grab the charger circuit board and the battery. Connect the motor to them. Insert the PCB into its corresponding slot, aligning it with the holes. Repeat the same process for the battery. Attach the side buttons and the bottom cover. Snap on the printed small gear. Test to ensure everything is working properly. Finally, insert the needle into the needle disc. Just like this. Assemble all the 3D printed parts, and you're ready to go.